Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2011 Cadillac STS. On this Cadillac STS we're going to go over where you would add brake fluid to your vehicle and how to do that. So we have our brake fluid reservoirs right here. You've got a max line here, you'd have a low line here. This we can wiggle a little bit to see where it's at, or you can use a flashlight and be able to see. You put it on here and you'll be able to see the fluid level because it'll illuminate the canister. So if you need to add brake fluid, what you're going to do is you're going to remove this cap by twisting it. You'd want to make sure you also clean everything around it so you don't get any impurities inside there. And then you'd be able to pop this cap, add your brake fluid to the line here, and then be able to put it back on. Same thing is if you'll have a little bit that'll go down as your brakes wear and they feel those calipers full. But if this is constantly going down, then you're going to want to start looking where you're having brake fluid leak and be able to fix that. And you also want to make sure that you don't allow this to get below the low line, because if you get air in your system, your brakes will not work as properly that you would like them to. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.